In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your social media accounts using Nordvpn. This added security measure is crucial for protecting your personal information and ensuring your online privacy. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Nordvpn app if you haven't already. Head over to Nordvpn's website and navigate to the download section. This is where you can get hold of one of the fastest VPN apps available today. Simply follow the prompts to download and install the app on your device. It's a straightforward process, and once installed, the app will help secure your internet connection, adding an extra layer of privacy to your online activity. After installing the app, open it up and click on the Login button. You'll need an account with Nordvpn, so if you've not set one up already, be sure to do that first. Logging into your account will give you access to all the features Nordvpn has to offer, including the multi-factor authentication feature that we're focusing on today. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to your account settings. It's usually located in the top right corner of the interface, often represented by a user icon or your account name. Click on it and a menu will drop down. Choose Account Settings from this menu. This section is where you manage all aspects of your Nordvpn account, from personal details to security settings. Now, the key part. Go to Account Security. Here you can enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, which is the technical term for 2FA. It's an additional security measure that goes beyond just your password to verify your identity. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they would also need access to the second factor, usually your phone or another device, to log in. Click on the multi-factor authentication option. Depending on the service and device, you might be asked to download an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, on your smartphone. Open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code shown on your Nordvpn account page. This will link the app to your Nordvpn account, and henceforth, each time you log in, you'll be required to enter a code generated by the Authenticator app. Once you've completed these steps, your Nordvpn account will be much more secure. Multi-factor authentication is now set up, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and giving you peace of mind. It's a small step that makes a significant difference in safeguarding your online presence. There you have it. You've successfully set up 2FA with Nordvpn, adding an essential layer of security to your social media accounts. Remember, in today's digital age, security is not something to take lightly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to secure your online life.